Molly Joyce. I am a continuous improvement quality engineer at Plasticos. We are an injection molding company for small medical components, and we have been using TLM for about a year now. One of my favorite features of TLM is the web app. It is a very clean and simple user interface that allows the users to know exactly what they need to do, and it's all centralized in one location. Another key feature of TLM is the dashboard feature. It's a centralized location that is located in both the licensing and the web app, and it just tells you exactly what you need to do and gives you the links to complete the task. TLM has an excellent customer support team that is very prompt and works with our quality management system to customize the software that works with us. In addition, they do it at a very reasonable price and in a very timely manner. Overall, TLM is a quality software at a reasonable price with superb customer support that is always continuously working with us to